It's your girl Diva Ebony B. This is test show. Get ready for the pre-test show. Getting ready for the show with Diamonds in a Rough. So enjoy. Excited about that. Excited about that. Of course, my wonderful husband is always here to help me out because he's like super fragilistic, Ashley Alidocious. Thank you, baby. Can you hear me, love?
Yeah, I can
Yeah, I
hear
can
you.
hear you.
Okay.
I hear you
I hear
loud
you
and
loud and
clear.
clear.
I just want to make sure that we just keep in conversation because I'm about to go to the website itself. I want to hear and make sure that you are not here having a echo behind your voice.
Okay.
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 Sounds like
Sounds
we
like we
this how
this
we
how we
do it.
do it.
Yep,
No.
No.
love it. I love it. Of course, they gonna give me a commercial to play. I don't care about that commercial.
Boy,
Boy,
you know
you know
ads would
ads
pay
would
for
pay for
everything.
everything.
I'm not beefing on that. Smart media. All right, we got some play coming. Oh, it's gonna make me think this ad. You ain't getting past this damn ad, Divas. Okay,
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm.
let's go ahead and get past the ad. It's okay. I'll listen. What is this about anyway? Securing financial. I think we got this securing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. All right, baby. Mic check. Mic check.
Yes.
Yes.
I hear
I
you
hear you
loud and
loud and
clear.
clear.
I need you to say your ABCs, baby.
Huh?
Huh?
I need you to say your ABCs.
A
A
B
B
C
C
D
D
E
E
F
F
G
G
H
H
I
I
J
J
K
K
L
L
M
M
N O
N O
P
P
Q
Q
R S
R S
T
T
U
I need you
U
to
V
say your
V
ABCs.
W X
W X
Y
Y
A.
A.
Now I
Now I
know
know
my
my
ABC.
ABC.
Next
Next
time
time
won't
won't
you
you
sing
sing
with
with
me?
me?
My outlets are off somewhere. Cable, speaker, that's output. Speaker. My outlets are off somewhere. Let's see if that works. All right, baby. ABCs one more time.
Hello? Are you ready?
Yeah,
Hello?
go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P
Awesome.
Q R S
Awesome. Awesome.
T U V W X Y A.
Now I'm going to change my
Now
microphone. 1 second.
okay.
Now I'm going to change my microphone. 1 second. Oh, no, I'm not. No, I'm not leaving right where it's at.
Okay, I didn't hear no echo behind that one, so.
Oh, no, I'm not. No, I'm not leaving right where it's at.
Okay, I didn't hear no echo behind that one, so.
Oh, no, I'm not. No, I'm not leaving right where it's at.
Okay, I didn't hear no echo behind that one, so.
Oh, no, I'm not. No, I'm not leaving right where it's at.
Okay, I didn't hear no echo behind that one.
All right, babe.
Okay, thank
I
you.
need you to switch.
Oh, so you can hear both areas. Hello?
Mike.
Do I need to put the headset on or just
No.
talk?
You just talk.
Oh, okay, because I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
No.
Oh, you right.
So I have to put the headset on?
Oh, shit. Yeah, put the headset. Well, the headset ain't even plugged in.
See, I can't hear. See, I can't hear you.
Wait a minute. No. Stay here. Mic check.
Okay, no. I hear you.
Wait a minute. No. It's on this.
I hear you coming through there.
It's on this. I'm supposed to be able to hear you through the computer.
Right. That one on flight. Wait a minute.
It's on this. I'm supposed to be able to hear you through the computer.
Right. That one on flight. Wait a minute.
Enable.
Oh, that's enable.
That's my microphone.
It's not plugged up, man.
Let me plug him in. Logitech. I ain't recognizing it.
That's the real thing right there. It's still on me. The real Tech HD audio stereo input.
No, the Logitech headphones should come up on here. No, the Logitech headphones should come up on here. No, the Logitech headphones should.
Yeah, that's the only problem. You can't hear them through here.
Yeah, they coming in beautiful.
Beautiful, yep. But you can't hear them. So you know how you gonna have a conversation with somebody you can't hear?
Well, why did I put the output? That's the input. I put the wrong damn thing. So the output should go.
There go speakers right there. Look, speakers, headphones. Go up one more. Right there.
Okay.
Now I should hear you on the computer. Right?
No, nothing. Can't hear.
They said we detected something.
Yeah. Okay, so high definition speakers. That's what this should
Bottom.
be.
Go.
This one.
Oh, yeah. High definition audio. Now it should be
Mic check.
Yeah.
I can't hear you. It's coming from there. Oh, now you can hear me from here, but
Right.
I can't hear you.
Because it's paused. Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me now?
Hello?
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 Oh, there you go.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you
Now
can
you
hear
can
me.
hear me.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can
Yeah, I
hear
can
you.
hear you.
Can you hear?
Diva Spot Radio on the spot, on the grind.
Yes,
Yes,
I
I
can.
can.
All right. Let me do it again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, baby, let's switch.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I keep this.
What is you doing, baby? What the?
What is
What are
you
you
doing?
doing?
I'm sitting at your computer.
Okay, let me see if I can hear
hear
this.
you.
See, I'm
See, I'm
back
back
to
to
an
an
echo
echo
with
with
you.
you.
I don't. How you're back with the echo? I don't understand.
Uh-huh.
Where was this one before?
Oh, sorry. It was that one. That one.
What's on speakers?
Mm-hmm.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
You can hear me in the headphones?
I hear you on here. Wait a minute. Is that on here or not? They're probably right there.
See, now you're better through the speakers,
Mm-hmm.
but then you can't hear me. So we gotta find. Where were we before where you can hear it through the computer?
Speaker headphone, high definition audio.
It's bouncing off. That's the problem. Let me see. Primary sound drive. Can we hear me? Nope. When you said we were here?
No, right there.
Mic check.
Okay.
Maybe because you close now.
No,
Because
it's
you wasn't echoing at first.
when I was in the back. When I was in the other area, it was echoing on this on the site. That's output. This output.
Microsoft Sound
Mic check.
Sound mapping.
Let me do this one. We were here.
No, we was there.
Mic check. Mic check. It's this fucking channel, yeah.
Mm-hmm. I'll take that one off. Because you don't need that one.
But
if you got this one. Because these are microphone and sources.
This is coming from Skype. That's Skype. This one's speaker and headphones.
Well, change the channel. Change the channel on this one.
To 2?
Yeah. Sometimes channel will help.
And then go back down here.
Yeah, leave that right there.
Mic check. Mic check. Can you hear me?
No, I can't hear you. No, now go. Now go again. No. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. No. Yeah, it's yellow. No, I don't know what just happened. And I am echoing over here. I can hear myself echoing in here. You hear me? I don't know what just happened. And I am echoing over here. I can hear myself echoing in here. See, that's the only it's the only one you can hear.
That's one you can hear.
Mm-hmm.
And this volume is all the way up too. What the hell? That's one you can hear. Output. And this volume is all the way up too. What the hell? That's one you can hear.
See, it started doing that some when you mess with the mic.
On these sources here.
I turned it back to 1.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Oh shoot. It started doing that some when you mess with the mic.
On these sources here.
I turned it back to 1.
Mm-hmm.
See this one.
Microphone. Do that one. That disabled it.
Mm-hmm.
Microphone. Audio input. Why are those disabled?
Maybe because it's not finding anything in the slot. You know what I mean?
Mm. It works on that one. But then there's nothing happening here, so it ain't
Right,
working.
it's not working. Which one you had it on it first? Remember?
I don't know what just happened there. This one. I believe. There it is.
Yeah.
So that's open. And then let me see how that sounds.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Mic check. Mic check.
Let me see. What turn is that?
Mic check. Mic check. No.
That's
That
why
won't
you
do it.
couldn't hear me.
Now it's getting it. Yeah, okay. That's good right there where they're supposed to be. Okay.
Let me see if I can move here and make sure the echo won't hurt.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear the echo too. Hold on.
You hear me echoing?
No, I hear that little screech in the background. You're not echoing at all.
Okay.
Okay, I hear. No.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good.
Well, that's good.
Am I echoing?
No, you're good.
Okay, well you good then. Yeah, you good then.
That's the
It's screeching from being too close.
That's the creep from being online. It's going. I'm being an ass.
I'm talking about I hear the screech because the phone is too close.
I'm going to double because I'm listening to.
Yeah, I know. You listening to yourself while you talking. And over there, yeah, you forgot you were doing a double, huh? It's okay, babe. It's alright. Come here. I love you.
I love you too, Papa.
Okay. It's okay.
Okay.
It's alright.
Yeah. Okay. And I called the number. I was using my husband's phone to call the number, and it started working again. So I just reset my computer See, it's working again now, but it's coming as my headphones too. See that, baby?
Yeah, it should be. Yep, because you got the headphones on.
Well, don't pick. Try the number again, Nita. I'm sorry. Just try the number again. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Baby's so smart.
Okay. Oh, good. Now you should be able to add me as a friend. Diva Spot ENT1. Yeah. Well, it's all right. We learn it. We gonna get it together. I think we can change it.
Ooh, I gotta get up.
Ah.
Diva Spot Radio on the spot, on the grind.
Doom doom doom. Doom doom doom. Doom doom doom. Oh, they got it where I can use my Logitech headphones? I didn't know that. Says Kira, my microphone is my Logitech.
Diva Spot Radio on the spot, on the grind.